So here is favorited app. It's a new alternative to TikTok in a way, and it's going to top charts quite fast, as you can see. Here is the app, and it's number 17 in the lifestyle charts here already. So here it is. Join the community. It has quite good ratings. Uh, Favorite app lets you go live and interact with your audience in a way you never imagined possible. Go live and build your following. Watch highly engaging live streams. Interact with your favorite creators. Live streams for you more than just video. Moments you will never forget. Find your community. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. I already created an account. So if you want to know how to do it, just watch my other video. But yeah, basically you just sign in with a phone number or Apple ID or Google. And then this is how it looks like, kind of like TikTok. Everything is still in beta. And then you have watch page
Where'd you go?
where you have a lot of live streams here with where you can just tap to watch live all the different live streams and just swiping around. So this is kind of the difference with TikTok, that this app is mostly live. So here you're mostly live streaming, as I understand. You can go to different accounts. And as you can see, it's loading. It's a bit glitchy. You can add, you can give gifts, and that's how you monetize your stream. You can follow the creator. You can see daily ranking. You can see number of people in the stream. So yeah, all kinds of people here. So it's kind of like TikTok, but mostly live streamers. And then you can go like and stream yourself. So you can just confirm. Basically an idea, as you can see. So you can see the stats, and you just go in there and stream in a vertical way. And then you have your profile, your settings. If you want, you can delete your account. There is a support, there are muted words, then there is your balance. You can see how much you earned, and then basically here is a referral code. So that's what it is.